We are back with some breaking inputs coming in. Rajiv Chandrasekhar has responded to Rahul Gandhi, calls him the prime mover of Congress politics of lies. In fact, is hitting back at Rahul Gandhi for his comment on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said his chest is now 30 to 32 inch. That was Rahul Gandhi's comment on the Prime Minister, and Rajiv Chandrasekhar is hitting back, countering Rahul Gandhi, calling Rahul the fake defender of Constitution. Pratibha is getting us more details on that.
Right, Swati. So Rajiv Chandrasekhar responding to a comment that came in from Rahul Gandhi, where he had hit out at the Prime Minister. He had said that nobody in the country is afraid of him. Earlier his chest was 56 inches, but now I cannot give the number, but it has become 30 to 32. His way of working to scare people, to intimidate them, now that fear is gone. That was a statement that was made by Rahul Gandhi. Responding to that, Rajiv Chandrasekhar has said, this dynast politician, fake defender of Constitution and prime mover of Congress politics of lies is normalizing and encouraging violence against the country's Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. This man's insecurities are making him overcompensate with language of aggression. He has presided over Congress's third successive double-digit result and third defeat. Apart from being embarrassed and trying to distract away from the loss, what is he scared of? That's the response that has come in from Rajiv Chandrasekhar.
Right. Thank you, Pratibha, for getting us the details. Let's listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said, which led to this face-off.
मतलब एक तरीके से रिडिक्यूल करते हैं। जो पहले 56 इंच की छाती थी, अब नंबर तो नहीं दे सकता हूं, बट 30-32 हो गई है, राइट? तो अब पूरा जो ढांचा था, इतना बड़ा गुब्बारा था, वो इतना बड़ा हो गया। अब इससे नरेंद्र मोदी जी को साइकोलॉजिकल बहुत टेंशन होगा, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी, क्योंकि उनका जो काम करने का तरीका है वो लोगों को डराने का है, धमकाने का है। अब वो डर चला गया। आपने देखा, पता नहीं देखा या नहीं, वाराणसी में वो चप्पल मार दी किसी ने। अब आप इमेजिन कीजिए, चुनाव से पहले अगर कोई मानना भी जाता था डरता, तो वो जो डर था वो गायब हो गया, खत्म हो गया। और इंटरनल भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, इनकी पार्टी में प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, इनके पेरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इश्यूज हैं। तो मेरा कहना है कि जो नरेंद्र मोदी का जो कॉन्सेप्ट था, उसको ऑपोजिशन ने डिमोलिश कर दिया, खत्म कर दिया है। उसको आप 56 इंच की छाती कहें, उसको आप डर कहें, उसको आप मतलब जो बिग नरेंद्र मोदी जी की जो इमेज थी, उसको फाड़ दिया हमने। अब अगर वाजपेयी जैसे लीडर होते, जो जिनमें ह्यूमिलिटी थी, मनमोहन सिंह जी जैसे जिनमें ह्यूमिलिटी थी, लोगों की रिस्पेक्ट करते थे, बात सुनते थे, ऐसी सिचुएशन वो काम निकाल सकते थे। मगर ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी की स्टाइल ही नहीं है।
Mohit is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Mohit, war of words there intensifying. Now, Rajiv Chandrasekhar has hit back saying that Rahul Gandhi is overcompensating for his insecurities. So before you